Good morning, it is me again, but without anything in my hands. So what's happening here? Why are we still waiting? Norman, we're all wanting to ask you that question. Where is the journey? We need the things to sell for the journey. So we ran into a little bit of a dilemma in East London where our R1,000 actually bought too many things that's too heavy for 3 boxes. So Norman he's repackaging them. He's doing us a heck of a favor, and he's packaging them into 4 boxes. And it's not boxes, guys. It's an extra large Pudo box. So we're using Pudo so that we can actually save a little bit up because now we're still in the early phases. So we're gonna spend now about 420, 450 Rand for our shipping, where it would have been quite a lot over R1,000. So that's why we're doing this. And how do they say? If you don't have patience, you'll become a patient. So I'm like, I want to get this ball rolling, but I'll have some patience. So yeah, I'll have some patience. So I'm excited. I'll keep you guys updated, and when it's arriving and when it's been shipped. Let's go, Norman. We're excited. Thank you. I'll speak to you soon.